When I first switched to Linux 5 years ago, I started with the XFCE desktop. I use the XFCE desktop more than I use any other desktop. It's the one I've really liked and the one that's stayed very much stable and workable and very malleable. And today I'm going to go through the configuration that I've got on XFCE and give you some pointers if you want to theme your XFCE to look like mine, and also give you some tips on a few bugs that you might encounter and how to get around them. So first of all, I'm going to show you my panel setup. So the top panel is pretty straightforward. I've just made an image. The way I made an image, you take this number here, which is the row size. Now this is the height of the panel. So you take that and then you do a 24, in this case, 24 by 24 pixel canvas in GIMP. And then you colour it whatever you want. If you don't want a standard colour, that is. So if you want it with a border, you will do this. And you will make it one colour, and then you make one pixel at the bottom or the top, depending on where you want your bar to be. And you make it look however you want. So I've got it black with a grey border. You can see here, that's the image file. It's quite simple to make. There's nothing really that difficult about this particular theming decision. It's just personal preference. The XFCE badge, or the Whisker menu bar. Now, I remember a time before Whisker was even a thing, and we had basically this stupid menu here, and that was your application menu for about... I remember that being there for about 2 years before they got Whisker. So, yeah, Whisker's amazing. I love Whisker. And I just changed it to be the badge. There's a couple of other badges you can change it to. You can have it whatever you want. Go into your icons, go to all icons, pick from the icons here. These are all the SVG. They're all scalable. They're all, scalable vector graphics. And that's what you need in a panel. So, yeah, that's my advice there. The bottom dock, you can see, matches the top dock. This doesn't come with XFCE. This is Docky. It's in the Ubuntu repos. And I'm using the HUD theme. It comes with quite a few themes. You can also install more. There are packages inside of Ubuntu where you can install more themes, or you can download a load of them off the internet because it's Linux. People configure this in stupid ways. You can have it on 3D, you can have it on 2D. I've turned the zoom off because it means that my icons are more crisp and sharp and more defined, and I like that. The icon theme I'm using is the XFCE Darker theme. If I just go in Settings, Appearance, and then Icons, you can see Elementary XFCE Darker is the theme I'm using. It's a really nice theme, I think. The window manager I've tweaked so it's more like a Mac. I've moved everything over here in the order of close, minimize, and maximize, just like a Mac. And you can see here the theme I'm using is called Greybird Cupertino. This is available from xfcelux.org, but there is a glitch. And the glitch is that when you download it from xfcelux.org, there is a missing file, and that missing file is called, or should be called, maximized inactive. It is missing that file. Don't go trolling around the internet because I'll tell you how to fix it now. All you do is copy the file minimized inactive, which is this file. Copy that to the same directory. It'll create a new file called minimized inactive, and then in brackets it will say copy. And then just rename that copied file to maximized inactive. Close the directory, change your theme to something else, and then change it back. And hey, presto, it'll work. Another note about something that goes a bit skew with. If you're using KDE and you have all the themes and you have the Plasma Desktop Data Package, which gives you all this, then it'll override a particular theme file and force the horrendously, in my opinion, horrendously ugly Breeze cursor. I just think it's fat, ugly, and just downright stupid for a cursor. I mean, some people like it. I absolutely hate it. It doesn't look like a mouse cursor. So, to fix that, all you have to do is pull up a terminal, and most people are like, oh god. You don't have to. You can also run a file manager as admin and do it that way. Depends what system you run, really. I don't know the other systems that well, especially not KDE. But, yeah, this is what you'll want to run in a terminal. So, the file it changes is the index.theme file in this directory, and this is what you need to run to fix it. So, I'll walk through the command. Shut up and do as ordered is what sudo actually officially stands for. And then nano, which is a text editor, /user, /share, /icons, /default. This is why it's pretty much system-wide /index.theme. And when you go into this, and I'll keep it sort of maximized. If we go into this theme, it'll ask for your password. Just punch your password in. You want it to look like this. You want it to simply read in square brackets icon theme, and then inherits equals DMZ black. It is case sensitive, so you'll want to copy that into that file, save it in Nano with Control X. If I just then click Control X, I've already got it. I didn't edit it, but it'll ask you to save it. You can also use Gedit if you want, and then you can either log out and log back in, or restart your computer, and it'll fix it. Another thing that I forgot to mention about Docky, another thing that I've done is I installed gconf. Now, I use gconf for quite a few things when I'm doing a bit of tweaking, but one of the things I did is I got rid of the Docky icon here. And the way you do it is you go to Apps, Docky, Items, Docky item, and uncheck Show Docky item, and then restart Docky, and you'll be fine. That's about it. That's how I've configured my XFCE desktop. Let me know if you have any questions about it, if you need any help with anything, and I'll see you in the next video.